afternoon and welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie and today we're going to do another Plant of the Week video. It's one on one of the herbs that I grow that I haven't seen too many people grow, and it's called Winter Savory. Now Winter Savory is an excellent herb. It's a little bit like thyme, just a little bit stronger than thyme, and you put it in soups and stews and with beans. It's really good with beans. So let me show you what Winter Savory looks like. Now this is my Winter Savory plant, getting friendly with the yarrow. And they generally get about 2 feet tall and wide and are just a nice round shape. They make a beautiful landscape plant. Now before too long, this entire shrub is going to be covered with these little white flowers. Let me see if I can get in here. Before too long, this shrub is going to be covered with these little white flowers. The bees and pollinators absolutely love them. It looks like I have a bit of bindweed in here to take care of. The bindweed loves it too. But it's easy to take care of. I just cut it about 6 inches high at the end of the year. They need soil that drains really well. They don't like fertilizer. They treat them a lot like you would treat your oregano. This one gets watered probably 3 times a week, but as you can tell, it's on a slope so that it does have good drainage, and my soil is mostly rocks anyway. It's easy to harvest. You just pinch off the new growth and use that. You can probably also dry it like you would thyme. So if you would like to grow another herb that is a good landscape plant, easy to grow, and is drought tolerant, try Winter Savory and you'll enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, like and subscribe, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.